right, hey, this is Hans, and this is...
Miles.
And this is...
Mimi.
It's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raid of the show, where we show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from...
Germany.
Yeah, this box is from Nissin, Germany. A lot of stuff that should be pretty cool in here. And it took a little while to get here, but it's here, and I'm really excited. Thanks to Anna Sadelmeyer over at Nissin Foods Deutschland for shooting this over. Let's see what she put inside. There is a lot in this box, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm just going to take things out one by one and we'll just take a look. So there's a ton of new cup noodle varieties from Nissin Germany. This is a 5-spice beef, spiced curry, it's a soy sauce shrimp, pork tonkatsu, spicy chili with a roasted sesame soup. This is a teriyaki chicken cup noodle. I'm guessing it will be. Ginger chicken with savory shiitake soup. Look at that. They've got the seafood cup noodles over in Germany now. The Kaizen seafood. Sweet onion soup duck. It's duck, guys. Quack, quack. Yeah, I think it will be. And this is the new Peking duck soba. So this one you drain off the broth and it's like yakisoba. And then she included some really neat stuff in here. Wow, look at this. Big old cup noodle stickers. These are huge. Cool, I need one of these. Check it out. It's a little soba notebook with a soba pen. That is super snazzy. Wow! It's a bowl. It's a big white Nissin bowl. Thank you. I needed a nice big deep bowl that's white. I've got black ones up the yazoo, but I don't have one exactly like this. This is what I've been looking for. Perfect. Thank you.
What is that bag?
This is a bag. This is a shopping bag. On one side it says soba, and on the other it says... What's that say?
I don't know.
It says cup noodles.
Cup noodles?
Yeah.
What's a cup noodles, Papa?
Oh, wow. Okay. So they also put in some clothing. And it's a nice shirt. And on the arm, it says Nissin right there on the arm. That's pretty cool. And finally, oh, wow. It's a nice big shirt.
For you.
Yeah. And you know what this is, ladies and gentlemen? This is from the opening of the Nissin Foods factory in Hungary. Peace will come to the world when there is enough food. That's what it says on it, on the front. Right there. That is super cool. Thank you very much. I suppose I should see if it fits. And it does. Cool. All right, well, this is really awesome. Thank you so much for shooting these over. Yeah, I'm looking forward to reviewing these, trying out this bowl and shirt fits. This is awesome. So thank you very much. And this has been Hans, and this has been
Mimi.
And this has been
Miles.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.